Today we are diving into comparison of Base44, Replit and Cursor to figure out which one actually works for developers and non-techies alike. Whether you are seasoned coder or a non-technical builder, these tools promise to make your life easier. Let's find out which one truly delivers. Let's start with Cursor. If you are a developer who spend most of your time coding, Cursor is an absolute game changer. It's just not AI assistant. It's fully fledged IDE, integrated development environment that combines ChatGPT-4 and Claude to help you write, refactor, explain and debug your code. Cursor's ability to write your entire project means it can suggest improvements or fixes that actually fit into a context of your app. For professionals or even advanced students, this tool is super valuable. However, it's not beginner-friendly and you still need a solid understanding of code to use it effectively. One downside, Cursor isn't free. If you want to make the most out of it, you will hit paywalls pretty quickly. Next up, we have Replit, which feels like most beginner-friendly of the three. It's a browser-based platform that allows you to start coding instantly with no setup. If you are learning to code, need to test ideas quickly, or just want a playground to experiment with, Replit is a great for that. You can collaborate in real time. And Ghostwriter AI helps with code suggestions and debugging, making it a solid for beginners. But here's the catch. While it's perfect for simple projects, Replit may struggle with large complex applications. It's not as powerful or context-aware as Cursor when it comes to real structured development. Now let's talk about Base44. Honestly, this tool was a surprise. Base44 isn't for developers. It's for non-technical users who want to build apps without writing any code. If you are a business founder or product manager looking to get an app off ground quickly, Base44 is incredibly efficient. In just under an hour, I was able to create a fully functional app with databases, email automation, and dashboards, all with zero coding. But as a developer, I hit some limitations when I needed more control or system logic. While it's amazing for MVPs or internal tools, it falls short if you want to dive deep into custom development. So which one is actually the best? Well, it depends on what you are trying to do. If you are a developer looking for deep AI assistance and full control over your code base, Cursor is the way to go. But if you are learning or need a quick, easy-to-use platform to prototype or teach coding, Replit is a solid good choice. But if you are a non-technical user or someone who needs to launch simple app fasting without writing a single line of code, Base44 is shockingly effective. If this video helps, don't forget to subscribe.